गर्मा गर्म पानी पूरी बस अभी बना रहा हूँ।
हाँ गजब कितनी चटपटी है।
अगली तैयार।
What if one tiny crispy ball could deliver 6 completely different flavor explosions in a single bite? This is Pani Puri, and it's not just another street snack. It's India's most addictive food experience, and in this episode you'll understand why. I'm breaking down 5 flavor profiles that make this little crispy sphere an absolute world champion. But first, let me tell you about the mystery behind this snack. You know how Sachin Tendulkar hit sixes in international cricket? Each one hit different, some over mid-wicket, some over point, some out of the ground. Pani Puri does the same thing to your taste buds. One bite equals 6 different sensations hitting you at once. Spicy, tangy, sweet, salty, crunchy, and cold. Your brain literally doesn't know what to focus on, so it releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes chocolate so addictive. But here's the best part. The crunch disappears in seconds as the puri soaks up the flavored water, creating this urgent feeling that you need another one immediately to recreate that perfect crispy moment. That's why you'll see people demolish 5, 10, even 15 puris in one sitting. But before we break down 5 sensational flavors, you need to know the laws of eating pani puri. Not rules, laws. First, you crack the top with your thumb, not a knife or fork. Next, you stuff it with the spiced potato and chickpeas as much as it can hold without breaking. Finally, you fill or dunk it into your chosen pani, fully submerged filling that hollow shell to the brim. And here's the most important law. You eat it in one bite. Gone. Taking multiple bites? That's as dangerous as running with scissors. You risk seeing your puri fall in slow motion to the ground before splatting like a paintball everywhere. Pani puri isn't just food, it's a ritual. It's cultural, it's unique. You've got 3 seconds from pani to mouth before it gets soggy. The urgency is part of the thrill. Alright, here we go. Flavor number 1. Teekha the Spicy Warrior. This is the one that separates the boys from the men. The base starts with fresh green chilies, mint, coriander, and the ingredients most people have no clue about is raw mango powder called amchur. The amchur is what gives it that sharp, almost electric tang. You also add roasted cumin, black salt, and ice cold water. This is the flavor that makes you sweat, makes you cough, and makes you reach for the next puri faster. The result? A bright green liquid that looks innocent but packs a punch that'll wake up every single taste bud. But if spicy isn't your thing, flavor number 2 is the complete opposite. Meetha, the sweet seducer. This is the one kids beg for, and honestly, adults too. The magic ingredient here is tamarind paste, this sticky, dark, intensely sour sweet concentrate that's basically nature's candy. You balance it with jaggery, unrefined cane sugar that has this deep, almost molasses-like complexity. Then hit it with cumin, ginger powder, and here's the twist. A tiny pinch of black pepper. That pepper, it's what keeps it from being too sweet. It adds this subtle heat that makes you think, wait, what was that? And reach for another. This is the gateway flavor. You start here, build confidence, then work your way to the spicy stuff. The color is reddish brown, almost like cola, and when it hits the white chickpeas and potato inside the puri, it's like a flavor eruption in your mouth. 2 down, 3 to go. And this next one? It broke all the rules. Dahi Puri, the cool, creamy rebel that changed everything. Traditional Pani Puri is all about water, but someone said, what if we used yogurt instead, and changed the game forever? You take thick, cold yogurt and season it with roasted cumin, chaat masala, which is this magical spice blend that tastes like the essence of street food. Then you swirl in sweet tamarind chutney. You want these ribbons of sweet sour running through the creamy yogurt. When you fill the puri with this, you're not getting a liquid burst, you're getting a creamy, tangy sensation that coats your mouth differently. This is where you expect calm and then the tang hits. Plus it's basically healthy, right? Probiotics? That's what I tell myself after eating 30 of these. And flavor number 4? It's summer tropics in a bite. Mango, the superstar that shouldn't work, but absolutely does. India is obsessed with mangoes. They have over 1,000 varieties, so naturally, why not put mango in Pani Puri? And it's gold. You take ripe mango pulp, the sweeter the better. Blend it with water, black salt, roasted cumin, and a squeeze of lime. Then here's the twist, a tiny sprinkle of red chili powder. Sounds crazy, tastes incredible. Remember when I said your brain never gets bored? Mango pani breaks expectation. When that mango pani hits the spiced potato and chickpeas, your taste buds ask, is this dessert? Is this a meal? I don't know, bro. This flavor is peak during mango season, April to June in most of India, but people crave it year round. Some vendors even freeze the mango pani into slush for an extra cooling effect. Innovation at its finest. One more flavor to go. And this one? It's the wild card. Beetroot. This rebel tastes as good as it looks. This is the newest flavor on the block, and it's blowing up on social media because just look at that color. You boil beetroots until tender. Blend them into a smooth puree, then mix with water to get this stunning magenta liquid. Season with cumin, chaat masala, black salt, lemon juice, and a hint of ginger for that extra zing. The flavor? Earthy, slightly sweet, tangy. It's like if vegetables decided to throw a party in your mouth. When you bite into it, the beetroot stains your tongue purple, and honestly, that's part of the fun. This is the one everyone photographs before eating. The color is just too good not to share. Plus, it's loaded with nutrients. Iron, fiber, antioxidants. Basically, you're eating a salad, a fried salad. And there you have it. 5 completely different flavor experiences, all in the same iconic street food package. Now that you've seen the 5 legendary flavors, let me show you the art behind making these perfect little balls. The dough is made from semolina and all-purpose flour, kneaded until it's super tight and elastic. It's rolled into tiny discs about the size of a coin. They need to be thin enough to puff up when fried. When they hit the hot oil, they balloon into these perfect little hollow spheres. That's the magic moment. They turn golden, crispy, and most importantly, hollow. That hollow center is what holds all that flavored water. While the puri's cool, you prep the filling. Boiled potatoes, mashed with onion and spices, cooked chickpeas. A skilled Pani Puri vendor has everything set up like a battlefield. Puris, fillings, and several Pani waters ready to go. The best vendors can make these at lightning speed. They are India's street masters. Don't confuse Pani Puri with fast food. It's community food. It brings people together. Before we end, we need to go back, way back. This Indian street food started over 400 years ago in an ancient kingdom called Magadha, present-day Bihar. Back then, it was called Fulki, a name some regions still use today, and it was smaller, crispier, and probably filled with simple spiced potatoes. There's also a myth. According to Hindu, Draupadi, the wife of 5 Pandava brothers, invented Pani Puri during their exile. Her mother-in-law gave her a challenge. Feed all 5 brothers, using only leftover vegetables and a tiny bit of wheat flour. So Draupadi created these crispy little balls. Each one could satisfy hunger, and you could eat them one after another. Whether it was an ancient cook in Bihar or a mythological queen, someone created magic, and it spread like wildfire across India. Today, it has different names depending on where you are. But the addiction, that's universal. From ancient kingdoms to every street corner in modern India, this snack has survived centuries for one reason. If you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Sometimes you hear someone say before Pani Puri, "I'll just eat one." That sentence has never been true in the entire history of India. Comment if you are guilty of telling this famous little lie. Your brain hates repetition, but Pani Puri cheats the system. Every bite feels like your first, even when it isn't. Hit that subscribe button because we're diving deep into the best foods from around the world. Ring the bell, you don't want to miss what's coming. Remember, life's too short for boring food. Take the flavor journey. Try all 5. Go bold. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious, And always eat your Pani Puri in one bite. Peace.